Good morning students. Today you have to learn Pythagoras theorem. So which statement is in a right angle triangle a square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. This is the Pythagoras. In right angle triangle, a square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. So, see here, this is a right angle triangle ABC given in triangle ABC angle B is 90 degree. To prove that, AC square is equal to, AC is the hypotenuse, largest side, AB square plus BC square. Construction. Draw BD perpendicular to AC. Proof. In triangle ADB and triangle ABC. So we use here similarity. So angle A is equal to angle A common. Angle ADB is equal to angle ABC, each is equal to 90 degree, which implies triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC by a similarity. Now AD by AB. AD by AB is equal to AB by AC, which implies why we have used in similar triangles corresponding sides of the ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. The ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. So which implies AB square, taking cross multiplication, AC into AD. This is one number. Again in triangle ABC and triangle BDC. In this triangle also angle ACB is equal to angle BCD. Common. This is common in both the triangles. Common in both triangles. And angle ABC is equal to angle BDC, each is equal to 90 degree, which implies triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC by a similarity. Now in similar triangles ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So we use here this result. So here you will take here AC. Here you will take BC by DC is equal to BC by DC, corresponding side. We are taking here corresponding side. BC by DC is equal to AC by BC. See here, BC by DC is equal to AC by BC. So ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now again taking cross multiplication, BC square is equal to AC into BC. This is 2. Now adding 1 and 2, you will get AB square plus BC square is equal to, here is AC into AD, and here AC into DC. So you will take AC common, so you will get AD plus DC, which is again AC, AC into AC, that is AC square. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Proved. This is Pythagoras theorem. Once again, in triangle ABC, in first we have taken in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. We have to prove AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. For construction, BD is drawn perpendicular to AC. Now in proof, in triangle ADB and triangle ABC. So this angle is common to both the triangles. Angle B is equal to angle D, which is also equal to 90 degree. So by asymmetry, both the triangles are similar. So in similar triangles, ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So we use this result, and we get here AB square is equal to AC into AD. Again in triangle ABC and BDC, ACB is equal to BCD, common in both the triangles, same angle, and ABC is equal to BDC is 90 degree. So both the triangles are similar by AA similarity. Now we take the ratio BC by DC is equal to AC by BC. Taking cross multiplication, BC square is equal to AC into DC. Now adding 1 and 2, you will get here AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into AD plus AC into DC. So AC is taking common, AD plus DC, again AC, AC into AC, AC square. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Therefore, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is the proof of Pythagoras theorem. It is very important for your examination. Sometimes in the question, in the examination, it is asked, state and prove Pythagoras theorem. Then you have to write a statement that will be for 1 mark. So you will write a statement, then you will prove, you will get full mark. Okay.